Meet the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, the world's first luxury sedan with automated valet parking. Imagine your car parking itself while you enjoy every moment. Convenience has never looked this elegant. The 2026 S-Class combines futuristic design with iconic luxury. Sleek curves, a bold grille, and cutting-edge LED lighting make it instantly recognizable, a true statement of elegance. With automated valet parking, the S-Class can park itself safely using advanced sensors and AI technology. No driver input is needed. Simply walk away and watch your car find its perfect spot. It's convenience redefined for the modern world. Inside, the cabin remains serene. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a digital cockpit ensure comfort and style. Whether parked or driving, Mercedes combines luxury with advanced technology. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class isn't just a car. It's an innovation in luxury and convenience. Would you let your car park itself? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury car breakthroughs.